Hello YouTube. Here is a brief overview of a Erie Tool Works from Erie, Pennsylvania, USA, number 103 Machinist Bench Vise. On this side, it's just cast the letters E-R-I. I'm assuming the E on the final E here would have broken off in the casting process. This vise here has the dimensions of 3 inches by 6.5 by overall about a foot. And this is a fixed vise. It doesn't have a swivel base. It has approximately 4-inch of usable jaw opening by about 2.5 inches there. Now this thing isn't super heavy duty, but it is pretty old. I'm assuming about the 1920s, but I'm not sure. If anyone has any more details as to when this model was produced, please leave that information in the comments. Thank you.